Hello, my name's Analese. I work for the National Orchestra of Wales, the BBC, and my role is production apprentice. So a typical day for me really varies, so I could be working the multicams on a concert or helping set up the camera angles for an interview. I also do a lot of admin as well, so I look after I send communications between the freelance players and make sure they're up to date on each patch that we do. And yeah, we just came back from a tour as well where I helped out on a podcast. I would say the highlight of my time has been working on a podcast alongside the broadcast assistant, where I was able to offer ideas and give critique, and now that's on BBC Sounds, and I've got a credit as a recording assistant. Ultimately, my goal would be to become a director. Between now and then, I have a lot of work to do, so I will probably get some more training and maybe take more of the angle of casting assistant or editing and camera operations.